Okay, so I'm going to outro this my alarm clock 3D shadow box here. Okay, so if you haven't watched my instruction, you don't need to. If you haven't bought the product yet, you separate two pieces of this. So the one like this one, go first. Either auto hold, but I'm gonna use wood glue this time. It doesn't have to be wood glue. Tacky glue is fine with Aline. I love to use the product. You know what? I should have my upside down glue storage here because I did not use it, so that way got a little bit difficult to get my glue. Make sure you put tie the lid really tight, otherwise your glue will fall like pouring down. Make sure you really not just and I love this, the glue storage there. Now so I'm gonna use all my pieces, every auto hole there. Okay. Doesn't matter what size it upside down. Okay. Now, time to use this. See, not that hard. You want to use the glue that not dry too quick if you have a lot of pieces to put into. Please do not use the hot glue. It dries so fast you can't even blink your eyes. And now time to use this. So I'm going to use glue on here, between here. You know what, my husband wants to be a basketball coach, but he can be, at least he be teacher. So now it's time to put that one in. How easy that is. Make sure you hold down on this, okay? You don't want to lift the other bottom piece up. See? Now you want to clean up all your glue off. Right there, now you're done, you're ready to go. Okay, isn't that awesome? Isn't that cute? I love this. So this one, you don't have to glue it yet. As I told on my instruction, you either glue in the front or right there. It's your option. So for now, let's see, what am I going to alter? What paper I'm going to use is, I'm going to use this, sorry, it's the Baby Too Bright collection. Okay, so Luna Baby, forget what it said. This came in like a premium set, come with a stickers. I do sell this on my store if you are interested buying this one. Let me put my glue away. I think I'm gonna have to go look for my a hot glue gun. Not sure where my. So since I don't want to lot this, so I'm going to use all this. I mean, pop this one out. I can't talk. Blah. So I probably will use this one on the one of the product. I love this one. It's so cute. I told you before, remember, I did not like to use the sticker before. Now it's okay if I know how to use it. So I'm gonna put this one in some container so I don't lose it somewhere if I have one. But I'm gonna put this one right there for now in case if I need it. And now come in a stickers. Also, that one is the cheaper than this one is stickers. So this one will be really good use when I use on my wall art. So it's come with all the pretty paper. So I believe it's come in 2 sheets of each. Let's see, I don't know what color am I going to use. Let me tell you, as I used to alter a lot of paper, so I pretty much can say that not everything that I like in here, not every pattern that I like a specific pattern paper that I like to use, not every paper that I like to use, I mean the pattern. So I like this one. I might like this wrap around here the box, so I'm going to measure this. I probably use this on the new product on wall art, the Victorian shape. So I'm gonna have to paint this one first. Paint on the edges here. I probably could use the paper, but it's too much work on cutting around on these edges. So I'm going to paint here, around here and here. In the front, I think I'm gonna cover with the paper. So this one I'm gonna cover with the paper too. But the thing that I want to paint is here and there. That's it. So I'm gonna go and check on my paper where it's I mean the paint, the color paint that I want to use. Let's see if I'm pretty sure if I want to use this one. Maybe no, I changed my mind. I'm gonna use this one instead on right there. I like this one. So I'll be right back after I find my paint color, that which color that I want. Okay, I'm back. I cannot find my hot glue guns. Came back from CHA and I don't know where it went, but I cannot find it, guys. So anyway, so worry about that one later. So I paint this all like a peachy pink for guard all around here and there. That's what I told you. Now I cut all my strip here. It's 1 3/4, a little bit tiny 1 3/4. shorter a little bit. So yep. So because this one 12 inches is not rounded enough, so I need extra piece, and I'm gonna put this on the bottoms to hide. So I'm gonna use Mod Podge. You can use anything that you want, or adhesive. So I'm gonna use this adhesive here. Like paper adhesive is good, guys. So I'm trying to use a one sheet of paper, 12 by 12 inches, one at a time. I do not say, I don't like that one. I want to use different. It's just wasted as a paper, So I just use only one sheet of the paper. So both sides, that's it. So I do not want to jump around. You want a piece different pattern here and there. That's like, no, I'm not doing that. This one might be a little bit too far. I can trim this one off. Right there. And you just, crease these. If you don't want it to show at a like curve, you probably want to leave it like look a circle shape. You could if you wanted to. So this one a little bit bubble there. But I like it that way so far. I like it. So you probably should like shade your bubble away from wherever you start, right there. Isn't that awesome already? So far, look pretty good. Now time to inside. Again, inside, so instead of using the piece of extra paper at the bottom, I use on the top because this one not anybody see on the top. So, yep, I'm gonna do that. You know what? One thing I forgot to paint on the edges here. Well, if you could use the paper on that. Just cut 1/8 inch. So I'm pushing the paper against this one. So if I have gap inside here, it doesn't matter. No one's seeing it. Okay. Now time to cover here and put this one in here. So again, you want to shade the bubble right there. You didn't use a lot of paper, this tiny. This looks really good. I like it. I love it. It's so cute. Now on here you want to cover with the paper. It's good. You probably might want to trade it, but don't worry about that one later. I'm going to cover with this. I'll put this one down and let it dry. You could trade this one if you want to, but I'm gonna let this one dry and cut it out. You can cut this one now, but on the feet it might be a little bit challenging. But this one you can cut it now on the edges there. Use your scissors. So this one you may want to use the craft knife and you want to sand on the edges of this. I'm gonna have to try to find my craft knife. Somehow I love my craft knife, so I'm gonna have to use kitchen knife. This is my kitchen knife. You wonder why my kitchen knife will be right here? I bought for do something and I forgot to bring it back. It's actually really good. I think better than some craft knife though. Isn't that cute? You can distress all the edges that you want. So I'm going to do that with the craft sponge here. Isn't that cute already? Love this so far. Now, so I'm going to worry about that piece later. Now I'm going to cover this also because I want this to cover with the paper, not just the paint. So I either use that one or this one. I think I made it right there. So yeah. Here they go. So again, I'm gonna cut this one off. And again, I'm gonna use my knife here, cut around the edges. Actually, this knife is very good. It's my husband's knife. I don't want my husband to know about this one. He's always said that is mine. He would say that, okay. Yeah, it is his. So I did. He like to say, "Mommy stole it." I don't know, should I let this one dry or just cut it? You know what, the one left over here on this circle I cut, I might put on the back there, on behind there, inside the box. So I'm gonna have to find where is it to poke the hole here. Right there. Because I don't think this one will cover all that one, the left over on the back, so okay, since this one not dry yet, so it's started to pop out. You might want to wait that one until it dry first. Here they go. So this one, it might not cover all around back there, but you can use either trim or something around that. Okay. I loved it. I think this is so cute. You probably see this video. I will be in the Pleasanton show. This video will go on live on this, maybe on the 2nd, March 2nd. That's its Cody birthday. I still haven't decided on this one if I want to use the paper there to cover it. I could. Okay, look pretty good so far. Love it. So on this one, I could use the tiny trim around this. I will be right back for the next video. So for now, it's going to be it. And I did paint this one on the edges here. I think I'm gonna cover with the paper. Yeah, because I told you before, I want to use all the pieces of my little can. You could trade this one if you wanted to. I think I might trade this one and fuzzy cut out. Might be easier to be a little bit challenge on the what do you call the bell here. So I will be right back, guys. So see you guys in next video. Bye bye.